Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, it's great to have you. You're about to discover one of the most underrated gems in the credit card world, especially if you love going out, ordering in, or just enjoying a good meal with friends and family. Today we're diving into the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards credit card, and let me tell you, it's not just another rewards card. It's actually a sleeper hit for food lovers, coffee shop regulars, weekend explorers, moviegoers, and even the stay-at-home Netflix and delivery kind of people. If you're spending money on food, drinks, or entertainment, this card gives you real cash back in all the right places. And guess what? It does all of that with no annual fee. That's right, you don't pay a penny to hold this card, and it still pays you back every single day. But hang on, before we jump into all the juicy details, let me ask you this. Are you using the right card for your lifestyle? Because by the time you finish this video, you might realize you've been missing out on free cash and easy perks without even knowing it. So do me a favor. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to break down exactly how this card works, how to use it like a pro, and one sneaky little benefit that most people completely overlook. You don't want to miss it. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button if you're into smart money moves, credit card hacks, or just making your daily spending work harder for you. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming up next. Alright, let's unlock the perks of the Capital One SavorOne. This one's going to surprise you, so let's begin with a simple question. How much money do you spend each month on food, drinks, or entertainment? Now think about this. What if every time you ordered pizza, went out for coffee, watched a movie, grabbed dinner with friends, or even streamed a show online, you got rewarded for it? That's exactly what the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards credit card is designed to do. It's one of those cards that doesn't try to be everything. It just focuses on the things you probably spend on the most and gives you real, meaningful rewards in return. Let's talk numbers first. With the SavorOne card, you earn unlimited 3% cash back on dining. That means restaurants, cafes, fast food spots, takeout, delivery, you name it. If it involves food and you're paying with this card, you're getting 3% of that money right back into your pocket. That alone is already more than most cards offer. But Capital One didn't stop there. You also get 3% back on entertainment. And this is where the card starts to shine even more. Entertainment includes things like movie theaters, amusement parks, concerts, streaming platforms, sports events, and more. So whether you're going out or staying in, you're earning while you enjoy. And it gets even better. You also get 3% back at grocery stores. That's right. This card gives you consistent rewards for your everyday essentials. Most people spend a decent amount on groceries each month, and getting 3% cash back on that is a solid win. So now, we're already at 3 major spending areas: dining, entertainment, and groceries, all earning 3%. And remember, this is unlimited. There are no quarterly categories, no caps, no activation reminders. You just swipe and earn. Simple. But we're not done. You also get 3% back on popular streaming services. Think Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Max, Spotify, and more. All those monthly subscriptions you probably already pay for, they're now part of your cashback stream. And finally, you earn 1% on everything else. So no matter what you're buying, you're always getting something back. It's full coverage with no gaps. Now let's talk about fees. This card has no annual fee. That means you're not paying anything just to carry it. Many cashback cards that offer 3% in these categories charge you a yearly fee. This one doesn't. You keep every dollar you earn. And if you're new to Capital One, they usually offer a one-time cash bonus when you spend a certain amount in the first few months. For example, you might get $200 if you spend $500 in the first 3 months. That's like getting a 40% return on your first $500 spent. This bonus is easy to earn for most people, especially if you're using the card for daily life. Another great feature is 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. So if you need to make a large purchase or pay off a balance from another card, this gives you time to breathe without paying interest. After the intro period, the interest rate kicks in, but the first 15 months are interest-free, which is super helpful if used wisely. The mobile experience with Capital One is another win. The app is smooth, easy to use, and lets you manage everything, from paying your bill, checking your rewards, locking your card, or even chatting with support. If you're the kind of person who likes having full control from your